met David, we weren't making any profit, and like we were at $1.6 million and zero profits, and just like something is wrong. And so I learned through David how to have systems, and one of the biggest ones that we have is what we call the catering profit generator. And for every event, hands down, none go out without having the menu and without having this profit generator. And it shows on there to the penny what we're going to make, because so many times, especially restaurant owners, you go in and you talk to them and you'll say, how much do you charge for box lunches? And they'll Google it on their phone and go, oh, the guy down the street, he charges $8.50, so mine's $8.45. And they don't even know if they're going to make money. And here's the thing, the guy down the street, how do you know he's making profit in the first place? So back to that profit generator, we know to the penny, and it was revolutionary in the profits for our company.
But what was the one big system that made that possible? I want to make sure people understand there was real freaking work behind that.
Costing recipe cards.
Hey, man.
1,790 now.
1,790. But who knows how many, right? 1,790.
Yes. So, and because if you don't have it costed, it's a crapshoot. And it's like for a caterer, okay, if you have chicken salad, you're going to have chicken salad in a 2-ounce scoop. You're going to have chicken salad in a 1/2 ounce scoop on a tea sandwich. You're going to have chicken salad in a big bowl. You're going to have chicken salad in a sandwich. I think we have 21 recipes for chicken salad alone. So you have to have, if you don't have the base of everything, is costing the recipes.
If you want to learn more restaurant solutions like these and how to get your managers to do the work, sign up for my free 4-part video learning series where I go into all this in more depth. The link is in the description below. Also, be sure to subscribe to this channel to get my weekly tips and check out these 2 videos to learn more restaurant solutions.